If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Zynah bag by Kaur threads. How gorgeous is she done in glitter vinyl? Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can get this bag done with a crossbody strap like I've done here, or if you don't want the crossbody strap, just a shoulder strap. It's just the one strap on it. A really cool feature of this bag is you see here, it looks like it's a slip pocket, but if you look, it's a hidden zipper pocket. So you have a hidden zipper pocket here and your recessed zipper here. So cool. So that's the hidden zipper pocket. Oopsies. On the back, you got a large slip pocket that has a magnetic snap. And under the recessed zipper, you have a large slip pocket as well as a zipper pocket. And she is quite a roomy bag. She's so pretty. I just love her. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like a Zynah bag, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial coming out on this one, but this is also our February 2024 Tuesday class. So once that class is all finished at the end of February, the tutorial will be released to the public side of the channel. So depending when you're watching this, it may be out already, depending, but February 2024, it'll be released at the end of the month. If you want a sneak peek of the tutorial, you can always join the lowest tier, Beans Peeps Club, tier number 1 of the membership side of the channel, and that's where all the sneak peeks of the member class bag tutorials are. And if you wanted to join the class, what you could do is you could join, I believe it's tier 1, 2, 3, 4, tier number 5, which is the Tuesday and Thursday sew along group, where we will be making this and sewing it together in real time over 4 Tuesdays in February. Anyways, all that information is linked down below if that interests you. Otherwise, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.